Hey guys, welcome back. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. I got another little how-to video here. This one's about how to refurbish or refresh your rear tail lights. So yes, it's obviously much easier to go out and buy a brand new set, but if you're like me and you like to do it yourself or make old things look new again, then this is the video for you. So let's have a look. So here's the last set of taillights that I refreshed. I decided to save these ones because the lenses were in surprisingly excellent shape in comparison to the housing. Housing, nothing out of the ordinary. Some overspray on the backside, lots of dirt, some missing studs, and probably the biggest blemish really was this chip on the side, which I knew was going to be an easy repair for me. So no big deal. As far as the repair, I just used some Gorilla epoxy as a filler. I let it set for 24 hours and then I came back to it and saying that it's smooth. Once that was done, then I started prepping the housing. I used 2 Scotch pads. Started with a medium grit and then transitioned to a fine grit. Once the scuffing is done, you got to move on to protecting your lenses. So it's a tedious tape job, but it's got to be done. Obviously, you don't want to get any paint or overspray on the lenses. That's just extra work to remove afterwards. Once the taping's done, now you're ready to hang your tail light. I like to spray everything hanging. It gives you some maneuverability and it keeps your your aerosol can in an upright position, which gives you a better spray. This is the paint that I've used. I continue to use it. I'm familiar with it, so I really like it. Plus, it's readily available at any Canadian Tire, and it has, most importantly, an excellent finish, which you're going to see at the end. This is, moving on to spraying. I usually do 3 top coats. This is coat 1 and 2, which is a little bit lighter just for some coverage. I wait 10 minutes in between the coats, and then I'll come back and spray coat number 3. Coat number 3 will go on a little thicker, and I guess I would consider that more of a medium coat. I also painted the backside, of course, just because you can't see it. Wasn't gonna just leave it the way it was. So, there's actually a lot of little things that you can do on the backside, and if you can get your hands on these little butyl strips, I got these from a friend of mine that runs a body shop. They come in handy for a lot of little things actually, but for this specific job, I added a little bit of butyl to each stud. This is gonna act as a excellent barrier and to avoid that metal to metal contact, and it's going to absorb some vibration as well. Another little thing I did was I ended up painting the nuts that attach the tail lights to the car, and then once those were dry, I also again added a little bit of butyl to the nuts. Between the adding butyl to the studs and to the nuts, there's absolutely no metal to metal contact. Once that was all done, the lenses were in excellent shape, so I didn't need to do much with those. No wet sanding needed. I just polished them up with this Meguiar's ultra finishing polish. So here's the finished product. It cost all of about $20 and a little bit of elbow grease, but all in all, I'm really happy with the way they came out. The paint is very close to an OEM finish, and the lens is polished up really nice. So that's what they look like on the car. They basically look like a brand new set of taillights. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you got any questions, drop them in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'd also like to wish everybody a happy new year. I'll see you in the new year with some more videos to come.